Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I thought I would do something just a little bit different and bring to you a get ready with me with all of my Temu finds. We're going to go ahead and just start off strong here. You guys know how I feel about my music and especially in the shower. This is the T&G Outdoor Portable Wireless Speaker. It is also waterproof and hands-free, and it sounds amazing. It also comes in different colors, and while I'm in the shower, you guys know I love my body poofs, and this one is so soft. I love it so much. This also comes in different colors. This is a high-end shower loofah soft bath ball in the color pearl. And honestly, with the prices of these, you can get them in every single color. So as soon as I get out of the shower, I like to do just a little bit of self-care when I have time. And these are the Caviar Essence Moisturizing Eye Mask Patches. I like to kind of use these while I'm brushing my teeth and doing other things. And I'll be honest with you, there are so many in this little jar. I don't even know how many that are in here, but I have used them so much and I haven't even began to scratch the surface of getting down to even the middle of that thing. While I brush my teeth, let me tell you just a little bit about Temu. Temu connects you with millions of sellers, manufacturers, and brands to provide you with the most affordable quality products at wholesale prices. They offer everything under the sun from clothing, electronics, makeup, home decor, pet supplies, and more. They offer free shipping and safe payment options with PayPal, Visa, Apple Pay, and so much more. And if you are not completely satisfied with your purchases, it is easy to return your product within 90 days. Now, I know these videos aren't something that I typically do, but you guys really do enjoy my Temu hauls, and I know that I've already shown you all of these products that I got, but I kind of wanted to show you a little get ready with me to let you see that I actually do use all of these things. Now, one of my most favorite things that I've gotten is this makeup bag. I love the feel of it. I love the look of it. I love that I can wipe it out and wipe it off. I get my little makeup fingers all over everything, and it's just gross. These do come in different colors as well, but I really liked this kind of Louis Vuitton print look to it. I also love how this opens up and it just lays flat, and it has so much room in there. As you can see, it's got the two big compartments, the one zippered compartment in the middle, and then on each side it's just got those little pockets where you can throw things in there. I just love this thing, you guys, and it's really nice to have as like a spare if you need one like for travel or anything. So I like to always have something on my lips because they're always dry. And this little strawberry lip mask, oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love this. That little applicator, the little honey pot stirrer thing, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this so much, and it doesn't hurt that this stuff is actually amazing. Like, I will put this on after I get out of the shower, I will put it on before I go to bed, and it's so good and so soft. Now, I used to be one of those bougie girls that only got the beauty blender to use to put my makeup on, but once I got some of these from Temu, I've never gone back. I think this one came in a pack of 8, and they are amazing. Magnificent, these things. They're so soft, so durable. They're not like really thin. I have had some knockoffs that were like really thin that they kind of tore apart. These are not like that whatsoever. And after I get pretty much my base of everything on, now this was kind of a jump for me. This isn't something that I usually do, but this is like the Charlotte Tilbury dupe for the color wand, and it did come in, I believe, 3 different color sets that you could choose from, and I just took a stab in the dark. I'm pretty fair, pretty light, and I was afraid that this was actually going to be a little orange, but I'm going to be honest with you, it is not, and it blends like a dream. I know a lot of people say stuff like that, but I promise you it blends out. You're going to see it here in just a second. And I'm not a big makeup girly girl. You guys know this, and especially like in the mornings when I'm getting ready for work at like 5:30, this isn't something that I generally do. I will be honest. This is going to be something that I will use like on the weekends or something like that. But it does give such a nice color, and it doesn't rub off. It's just, I love it. I absolutely love this stuff. And I think I'm going to go back and get the blush because they actually had blush colors in the same little wand. If you guys have been wanting to try the Charlotte Tilbury color wand and you don't want to spend that money, I beg you to go ahead and order this and try it first, because I guarantee you probably won't be able to tell a difference. Probably. I've never used the Charlotte Tilbury color wand because I'm not paying that kind of money for it. But I'm telling you, this stuff is so good. So next I'm going to be using this little pressed powder. Now I went like in a deep dive in their makeup. They have some of the most gorgeous packaging and makeup on the Temu site. I wanted to try this out, and they did have different colors of this as well, I believe. Now I've used this twice, and I'm going to tell you, it does wonders. Like, I'm not one of those people that literally do this all the time, just like with the color wand, but I have been using it like under my eyes and right in my T-zone, and I can tell a huge difference. Like, as inexpensive as this stuff is, I'm telling you, this stuff is really, really good. And what I'm using to apply this with is those little triangle press pads. I don't know what you really call them. I guess little powder puffs, but this also came in a pack of, I think, 8 or 10, and they are so stinking soft. So stinking soft, and the application with the powder of this is unreal. It's so good. So good. So next up is eyes. I'm just going to give my eyebrows just a little fluff up. You guys know that I had mine microbladed not too long ago, so I really just try to, keep my natural hairs in place as much as possible. But now I'm going to be using this little toaster eyeshadow palette. You guys, I freaking love this stuff. Now, to me, it kind of reminds me of the Tarte, I think it's the clay palette. All of these colors in here are extremely neutral and right up my alley. You can see by this palette, it has been pretty loved. I use this every single day, and I just love these colors. They're not powdery at all. They stay on all day, and they look so good. Like, I have actually used the Tarte palettes, and I loved them, but there is no difference in these two, I promise you. And they do have different color palettes as well if you're interested in something like that. So I'm actually going to be going and ordering a bunch more makeup. Now that I have ordered it and I've tried it, I know that the quality of it is really good. And I've got some things in my basket, and it's probably like, I don't know, $20, $30 worth. And that's usually not like a big amount for makeup. You can probably get like one item at Sephora or Ulta for $30, but with Temu, you can have 10 to 15 items that probably won't even make it to $30. And this stuff is so good, you guys. It's so stinking good. I'm blown away, because actually the makeup is the one thing that I thought I wasn't going to be impressed with, and I was completely wrong. I'm so totally impressed with this stuff. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes now. I generally try not to, because they're like the hairs on my head. They're very, they have issues. So I would like to keep them for a little bit longer. And this is like a little circus trick for me. I was trying to put on my mascara in the camera viewfinder. I didn't do too bad, but I wasn't going to take it, any further than I already did. So I went ahead and used my actual mirror for that. That actually could have ended very, very badly, and I did not want to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my makeup, and I was actually getting ready to just go and run some errands, so I didn't do a whole lot. I know it looks, like I did do a whole lot, but I didn't, I promise you. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my hair now, and this is probably another one of my absolute favorite things that I've gotten from Temu. If you guys have been looking at the Dyson hair tools or the hair dryers, look no further. Don't spend that kind of money. I promise you, this is just as good. This is the Ionic blow dryer with the diffuser attachments, and they do come in 3 colors. This is the white one. There's also a black one, and then like a burgundy maroon one. I love that this one has the cool shot button to it, because you guys know I have my little hot flashes, and drying my hair with a hot flash, it's not fun whatsoever. I used to actually have like a big floor fan that I would sit right there in the hallway while I got ready. And usually it's usually during the summertime that I do that, because it's just unreal. I cannot stand myself when I'm trying to get ready. But this hair dryer, hands down, probably one of the best ones that I've gotten, and I'm so in love with it. Now I'm ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and get dressed, and I decided to wear, this is not my first rodeo t-shirt. You guys know how I am about my tees, and this one is so soft, and I love the color. This is probably going to be one of my favorite summer tees this year. And we're not going to talk about how dirty my mirror is, okay? But this is all that I have for this Get Ready With Me with my Temu products. All of the information to these products will be in the description box below. And if this is going to be your first time ordering from Temu, there's going to be a discount code there for you to use as well. But I can't say thank you enough for you guys stopping by and watching today's video. I hope you come back to watch some more. I gotta go. I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.